related alignments and all for that. This is the list of items displayed in the cart. Card is being used here. So now you see here, this is the virtual scroll bar. You can see the virtual scroll bar here and the card items. And in this lazy loading, you can see a scroll bar will come. I scroll down, you can see the next set of images are loading. The next set of images are loading. So the next set of images are loading. So let's observe this through the debugger. That means press F12. So this is the debugger. And in the debugger, you can see here, so div content. In the content, this is the column. In this is the virtual scroll. And this is the virtual scrolling content. You can see here, currently, we have some items to display here. These are the card items. Card items are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 card items are here. I'm scrolling down. You can see that some more items are added here. You can see some more items are added here. I scroll down here, and you can see some more items added here. You can see the div is adding here. I can see 2 more items are added here. And I scroll down and you can see 2 more items added here. So you can see these 2 items are added here. That means your div continuously grows on and it will get you all the information. And I scroll down and you can see when I scroll down, the new details will be adding into this. So it depends on how much height you are maintaining for your contents, how much you want to view. That means all are not displayed on the same screen. And when I'm scrolling up, you can see all are removed. You can see these additional things are removed. Actually, how much height you want to display for the card, you can adjust the height for the card, right? So this is the list you are displaying in a card. So you have a class card, and I will just put here ID as a list for this. And I'm adding some ID list here. So hash list ID selected. And the list height is some 100 pixel. That is the list height we defined. So, and we will use like justify content to center, align items to center. So that's just for understanding sake, right? So how we are managing. And the content that we are displaying, the container or the card, margins, we can adjust bottom margin, top margin to adjust the width here. You can see the height. So we can add margin bottoms and all. Because the height for this is 300 pixels. So suppose I say 200 pixels, then it will keep the height for that. And now important is the virtual scrolling. So temporarily I will disable this. Okay. You can add that here. So now the virtual scrolling, so how it is affected is when you are scrolling the contents, you saw that. So when you are scrolling the contents, it will load only the content. It is loading only the content. So you can see. So I am scrolling that, then new items are added here. You can see the new items are added. I scroll here, the new items are added. This keeps on growing. The new details will be keep on adding to your divs. So that is what actually our intention of using it. And when I scroll up, all those are removed from them. This is the basic approach. You can keep width, the height, anything for this. You can display, I'm using Flex. You can display side by side all the images in a thumbnail, just you saw in the Google image search, right? This is the basic implementation of virtual scroll with lazy loading technique. So with the inbuilt virtual scroll directive we are having. So this is the component we are having. That's what generally single page applications look like, majority how they handle it. So this is, you can design for your rest of the contents you are bringing from tables, you are showing in a table. You can add this virtual scrolling for the row. So the rows will be added only when you are scrolling, right? That is anywhere now you can implement this virtual scrolling. In single page applications to achieve that environment, this is one key option. Right? So that is about lazy loading and virtual scrolling, how we can implement. Now, one more last thing I will explain here is about the authentication, how to use. Authentication basic, how to implement. As I already told you, server side integration is required. Authentication, I will show you a small implementation for authentication. Then with that, we can finish the concept, right? And I will give you basic overview of what is new in Angular 10. So what are the new things added into Angular 10? With that, we can finish. So mostly by tomorrow, I will explain these points and we can finish the concept. Okay. Tomorrow we'll continue them. Yeah, I will upload this example into that, right? And tomorrow we can discuss about the security and the versions difference. I will just give you the complete overview on the versions difference. Then with tomorrow's session, we will complete all the concept. Okay. We will once check with other people and let you know about that, right? Yeah, it's fine. Right. So once we will check with the others and let you know about that. Yes, Dipesh, what is your doubt? You can share your screen. Yes, Diptesh. Where is your routing module? Check your capitalization. All are C, V, P categories, vendors, all are lowercase. And in your buttons, you are using uppercase. You have to correct them. Go to app component HTML. Check the capitalization there. Router link. Categories C lowercase, vendors V lowercase, products P lowercase. That's what you given in the path. Na? Understood? Huh? Got it? Deeptesh, you are using wrong capitalization. Have you got that? Router link / categories C should be lowercase because in your route it is lowercase. Na?